Okay guys, for today's video, meron po ako kasi nakita na isang online lending app. Though hindi naman siya bago, pero bago for us kasi this is our first time to review this. Sabi niya kasi, 121 days daw ang loan term. Para sa akin,
sobrang haba nito para sa isang hindi kilalang online lending app.
And I want to show you guys na hindi talaga siya 121 days. And gusto ko rin sabihin sa inyo or bring to your attention how much the service charge na kinakaltas nila, how much the interest rate na pinapatong nila, so on and so forth. So you can make wise decision about this. So kung gusto nyo malaman yan, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here on my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, for today, ang pag-uusapan natin ay si XL Cash. Yan. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano ba mahihita natin dito kay XL Cash. Kasi sabi niya 121 days daw ang kanyang loan term. Totoo ba yun? Eh, tara. So, first and foremost, syempre, titingnan natin kung meron siyang website. Ito, XL Cash Lending. Okay pala yung cash nila. So, sabi nila dito, certified daw sila ng SEC, and NPC, AMLAC, and CIC. Ano ba makikita natin? Core strength, wala naman kakaiba. Our process, why choose, values and goal, frequently asked. Sa ilalim, ito, makikita natin ang kanilang headquarters. Yan, sa Sapphire Road, Ortigas Center, Barangay San Antonio, Pasig. Yan. Eh, mukhang one-page website nga lang po to. So, medyo hindi ko masasabi na pinaghirapan tong website nila. I mean, if you are a business and your aim is to stay for a long term, kailangan kasi every aspect of your business is pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin. Tingnan nyo yung ibang mga website ng mga loan service. Medyo pinagtutuunan nila ng pansin yung website nila kasi it's part of their marketing din. Anyway, mukhang meron na tayong sort of conclusion dito sa kanilang website. Tara, punta na tayo sa Google Play Store. Okay, so ito, about this app. SEC registered nga daw sila with the Certificate of Registration Number. Ito, CS2 2019-17309. Ayan, and Authorization Certificate Number 3136, which is ito rin naman siya sa SEC website. So, yeah. Ito daw yung offer nila. Our interest rate is super low with the annual interest rate of 18 to 30%, which is super cost effective. Kung totoo to. Our loan quotas are flexible, ranging from 2,000 to 60,000. Yada, yada, yada. Our payment period is very relaxed with 91 to 180 days.
No pressure. Very relaxed and no pressure.
Na-collect na natin yung somehow na mga kailangan nating information sa kanila. Fast forward, nag-sign up po ako dito sa XL Cash. But then again, hindi ko pa ipapakita sa inyo because I don't want to teach you how to loan to this lending service na hindi po ako naniniwala. Ako po yun hindi po ako naniniwala sa ganitong mga lending app. Kaya hindi ko pa papakita sa inyo. But for the process itself, same naman yan. Pare-parehas lang ng mga online lending app. Download nyo yung app, lagyan nyo yung cellphone number nyo, OTP, enter nyo yung personal information nyo, tapos kailangan nyo ng maraming contact reference. 4 yata 5. Tapos after that, mapupunta na kayo dito sa page na to, wherein, ibibigay na sa inyo yung offer. Disclaimer pala, you have to be careful with this app kasi you are going to enter na kaagad yung transfer details, kung electronic wallet ba yan or bank, prior to submission of your application. It only means na pag ni-enter nyo na yung mga details na GCash, yung bank details, ayan, and then nakita nyo yung offer, tapos gusto nyo lang ma-check, kala nyo tuloy-tuloy, tapos click nyo yung submit, eh, automatic na po yan. Basically, kompleto na yung information nila. Pag in-approve na nila yung credit line nyo, isasend na po nila yan sa inyong mga accounts. So, kung hindi po kayo sigurado, ingat-ingat po sa pag-submit. Siguro hanggang dito lang po kayo sa offer screen. Yan, check nyo po yung payment details. Pero kung hindi po kayo sigurado, wag na po kayo mag-click ng kahit na ano dyan. Wag na kayo mag-click ng proceed or submit kasi baka mag-auto-send na po sila. So, calculating the interest. Ito po, binigyan po nila ako ng 6,000 pesos actually. Pero ito, nakalagay dito 7,000. For 7,000 pesos, meron daw po akong 4 payment terms. Every payment ko po ay nagkakalaga ng 3,290. Kung i-calculate po natin yung tatlong malaking payment terms, 3,290 times 3, 9,870. Huwag na po muna natin isama yung last term na 70 pesos kasi parang ano lang po tayo, pang circumvent nung long payment term nila. Para nga naman sabihin na divided by 121 days. Calculate po natin yan later on kapag ganun po yung gagawin. So, eto po, 9,870, i-minus natin yung 7,000, 2,870, i-divide po natin yan sa 7,000 na principal, 41%, ilang payment terms po to? 7 days po to every payment term. So, meron pa akong 21 days divided by 21. Lumalabas po na 1.95% per day. I-multiply po natin to by 365 para makuha po natin yung annual percentage rate, which is 712 or 713% ang APR po niya. Because we calculated it dun sa tatlong malalaking term ng pagbabayad natin. I-calculate naman po natin yung sinasabi nila na 121 days. Ito po, kung mapapansin nyo, yung last payment ko, which is August 7, biglang nag-jump ng November 16. So, yeah, gamitin po natin itong sinasabi nilang 121 days to calculate. 3,290 times 3 plus 70. Idagdag na po natin yung 70 kasi pang ano po yun, pang the fourth payment term. I-minus natin yung 7,000. 2,940 divide po natin by 7,000. Yan, 42%. I-divide po natin to sa 121 days. So, bumaba po. And then, i-multiply po natin yan by the number of days in a year, which is 365. Malaki pa rin po. 126 or 127% pa rin ang kanilang interest rate. Ginamit na po natin ang sinasabi ng 121 days, pero hindi pa rin po tayo nag-arrive dun sa sinasabi nilang APR na 18 to 30%. Interest lang po ito pinag-usapan natin ha. Wala pa po dito yung ikakaltas kagad sa loan. Kung mapapansin nyo po dito, merong advance na service charge ng 1,400. Yung 7,000, babawasan pa ng 1,400. So,
Gusto na yung interest nito. Sobrang taas.
kaya ako po, hindi ko po nire-recommend tong ganitong loan service. Sobrang taas po ng interest. For me, ang take ko po dito is medyo predatory siya para sa akin. Na instead na makakatulong siya sa akin, mas lalo lang po akong malulubog sa utang kapag kinuha ko tong loan offer na to. Yan, napakita ko na po sa inyo yung how they circumvent the loan term. Yung annual interest rate na sinasabi nila na 18 to 30%, we proved them wrong. So, for me, bakit ka magsisinungaling? Just to grab people's attention para itry yung app at mag-loan sa app? Anyway, tingnan natin kung meron silang rating. So, sa Google Play Store, meron sa 4.6 stars, 31,237. Guys, ito po yung katulad ni Happy Cash na nagpaparate din ng mataas sa Play Store to give us increased approval chances daw. Ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo. Apply now can waive 2 review process for you. Increase approval by 50%. Anyway, sige po, magbasa po tayo. I gave this app 3-star first. The first time because I didn't like the upfront deduction. I tried it again today and there's still an upfront deduction but they gave this double loan thing that allowed me to get 2 loans in one go. So, I'm giving you. Ay, nako. Kapag nagigipit na po talaga, mahirap na po makapag-isip talaga. Most recent. Okay. Nice. Good online lab. Hindi talaga siya review. Ito. 725. I thought this will be useful after settling early repayment. Suddenly, I'm rejected and not answering phone calls. Anyway, moving on for that, this app has a good term, fair enough for the first time user limit. Parang hindi naman. Grabe mga admin dito. Grabe magmura, nagbabanta pa. Beware, the worst online loan app. June 19, 2025, I borrowed 5K and only received 3,750 dahil nga po sa advance service charge. After 7 days, they forced me to pay 5,650. I talked to an agent regarding extension. If I'm going to pay the extension fee amounting to 2,178, will it be deducted to the principal amount? And he answered yes. So I paid 2,178 July 1. I received a text, if I'm going to pay 5,650, they're going to shame me on social media. Oh my gosh. So dito, anong nangyari dito?
Binigyan ng maling information yung customer.
Yung customer nagtanong na pag nagbayad ba daw siya ng 2,178, yung 5,000 na utang niya, mababawasan. Sabi daw sa kanya ng agent, yes. Pero yung 2,178, to think na extension yun. Yun yung sa interest ng additional days. Kaya, pagdating ng July 1, pinagbabayad ulit siya ng 5,650. Sakit, di ba? Anyway, yan. So, at least nakakuha na tayo ng bits of review from other customer ni SL Cash. In summary, is this a good lending app to loan? For me, upfront then, no. For me, it's a no for me. Bakit? Enumerate ko po. 1 is the service charge, ang taas po, ikakaltas kagad. Number 2, yung interest rate po nila sobrang taas. Number 3, yung loan term po nila is napaka-ikse. And they're trying to circumvent it by adding additional term towards 121st day. Pero hindi naman siya equally divided. So, di ba? Parang walang sense. So basically, yan yung mga reason ko kung bakit hindi ko recommended itong Excel Cash. But if in case na kailangan nyo pa rin, nasa sa inyo na po yun. Pero if you're here in my channel, marami pa pong ibang online lending service na pwede nyong hiraman that can give you as much as 0% interest. Okay. For our question of the day, usual naman sa atin na kapag installment yan, yung interest and then the principal divided yan equally. But sa mga online lending app, dito lang nangyayari yung first term, halos babayaran mo na lahat and then magtitira ng butal sa last day of term para mapahaba, di ba? So, for our question of the day, meron ba kayong alam na legitimate na online lending service hindi app, na ganito ang sistema, yung tipong babayaran mo na lahat in first few term, tapos yung last term mo is sobrang tagal, nabutal na lang ang i-charge sa inyo. Meron ba kayo na experience na ganyang legit na lending service? Kung meron, let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway and also sa ating cellphone giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Ian John Sandoval at Ian John Sandoval D2S. Sabi po niya, pa-shoutout, I am always watching your content, Sir Pat Quinto. So, informative po at marami akong natutunan sa mga content uploads mo. Salamat po. At Ian John Sandoval D2S or Ian John Sandoval, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much po for watching and supporting my channel and my videos. Maraming salamat po at pinagkakatiwalaan niyo po ako sa mga ganitong content. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala naman pong problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!